Hello everyone, I'm Karol, the co-founder of SPIC and SPAN Home and Office Cleaning. Today, I'll walk you through the mattress and sofa cleaning service and how you can easily book it through our platform. You can book the mattress or sofa cleaning services directly via our online booking form. This kind of service is designed to tackle various types of stains, whether it's coffee, food, sweat, pee-pee, or even vomit. Cleaning teams offer specialized cleaning options to handle all these challenges. Cleaners provide different cleaning techniques to suit your needs. You can choose between chemical or dry cleaning for delicate fabrics, or opt for steam cleaning if you're dealing with tougher stains and want a deeper clean. Each method is effective depending on the type of stain and material. The booking process is straightforward. Start by selecting your country and entering your postal code on our website to see the available packages and pricing in your area. Next, select the type of cleaning you need, such as deep or moving in-out cleaning, and then choose mattress or sofa cleaning as an extra service in the booking form. After submitting the form, attach clear photos of the item or items you need cleaned and send them to us via email. We'll review the photos, provide you with a detailed quote, and once you confirm, schedule the cleaning service at your convenience. What sets us apart from the competition, you might ask? We offer English-speaking customer support and work with a large network of legally registered cleaning companies. We make the entire process smooth and efficient, with fair and transparent pricing. While we are not the cheapest, we are also not the most expensive. The services are ideal for those who value time and peace of mind. Before I wrap up, here's a useful tip. Don't leave your cleaning to the last minute before a move out. It's always best to have some spare time to plan for any unexpected situations that may arise. To book cleaning services, or if you have any questions, visit our website spicandspan.net or contact us at info@spicandspan.net. We are here to help you make your cleaning experience as seamless as possible.